I get asked this question every now and then: how to get rid of acne. Acne is considered one of the top 10 most prevalent diseases worldwide, and certainly one of the most common skin conditions. You can think of acne as these miniature isolated skin infections. So in order to get rid of it, let's first understand what's going on with the skin microbiome. Much like a fingerprint, everybody's skin microbiome is unique. Every part of your skin is a different environment with different kinds of organisms. Being exposed to the elements, it's a very competitive ecosystem, but for the most part, they're all commensal. Even though the microbiome is unique to everyone, there are many big common species. They live on the outer layer of your skin, in hair follicles, in sweat glands, in different pores, as well as in the deeper layers of your skin. Your skin is your body's first line of defense, and the bacteria help with that defense. As long as you have commensal bacteria, it means they're taking up space and protecting you from pathogenic organisms. The skin microbiome survives off of all the fats and salts, acids, and chemicals that our body naturally releases. For example, our sweat is actually scentless. What causes odor is bacteria feeding off of the different hormones and chemicals in our sweat. A single bacteria may convert testosterone into something that smells like vanilla in one person, and in another person, that same bacteria will make it smell more like urine. So it depends on genes, diet, and the type of bacteria living on your body. For your skin health, the single most important factor is your diet. The Mediterranean diet is considered one of the best for skin health. Olives, figs, grape leaves, honey, yogurt, whole grains, lentils. So if you're having skin problems and acne, the first thing you should try is changing out your diet. Your skin pH is slightly acidic, it's about a 5. Most of the good bacteria on your skin need that acidity. Tap water is about an 8 on the pH scale, so every time you're showering or washing your face, you're destroying the environment that the bacteria need to survive. You're making it more difficult for them. We also tend to use antibacterial soap or shampoo, as well as high-pressure, steaming hot water. So not only are you destroying your bacteria, you're also damaging your very skin, which just leaves it open to all kinds of other opportunistic bacteria and spores and anything that's going to lead to damage in your skin and your body. So in terms of getting rid of acne, stop washing your face, stop showering so much, or at least reduce the pressure and reduce the heat. You can also substitute your body wash and shampoo for actual soap. There's plenty of people who make soap based off of old recipes using real botanicals, and they're usually cheaper than the different health brands out there. They use recipes from Western, Viking, Biblical, Chinese. You can pretty much find anything. Most traditional soap recipes are actually antifungal. Skin diseases are very rarely caused by bacteria. For the most part, they're caused by fungus. This also includes dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, dandruff. All of these are primarily fungal issues. What's happening all the time on your skin is essentially trench warfare. Your commensal bacteria and fungus is keeping out all the invaders. So acne itself is formed when dead skin and skin oil clog up the pores. And bacteria that usually reside around those areas start to feed on that. This leads to inflammation, and your body forms a lesion in order to quarantine that infection. Once your body recognizes the infection, it starts to send in the heavy cavalry, which is your white blood cells. Pus is a result of this conflict. It's cellular debris. The other way that acne forms is just from fungal infections breaching your skin barrier. So if you're dealing with acne, stop touching it, don't pick at it, don't pop it, and stop washing your face. The reason you don't want to pop them is because you're just going to erupt it, which is going to send some of that debris and some of those organisms deeper into your skin, which will just prolong the infection. If you have any acne treatment prescriptions or kits or whatever, you should stop using that stuff. What you want to do to help clear up acne is use the right kind of oil. What you want to use is stuff that helps destroy those infecting organisms, reduce the inflammation, and also help protect the skin from further damage. Raw honey is good. You could also use coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, almond oil. If you want to go the botanical route, make sure the company tells you what they do to it and how they check it and where it's sourced from, and that they disclose all that information. Oils and essential oils, they will cause more harm than good if they're not pure and tested. A vial of essential oil should cost between $8 to $20 depending on the rarity of the botanical. So those companies that sell like 10 essential oils in a box for $15 those aren't going to be any good for you. Your clothes also play a big role in your skin microbiome. The good bacteria, they like natural fibers like cotton and linens. Synthetic fibers are a lot harsher on the good bacteria. A good way to restore good bacteria on your skin is to simply go outside, get sunlight. You can also dry your clothes outside in the sun. They will accumulate a lot of bacteria, so the next time you wear those clothes, you're essentially dosing yourself with bacteria. Using a lot of face creams and makeup can drown out your good bacteria as well. And most of those products don't last for more than a year before they start to harbor a lot of bacteria. For eye stuff, it's probably closer to 6 months. Also, the average laundry detergent doesn't get rid of fungus and spores and mycelium that grow in your clothes and your sheets, especially your pillow. So either switch to detergent that has antifungal properties or let it get some sun. Finally, you can talk to your body. You're basically the general, so you can direct your troops, and it helps a lot in getting rid of acne and blemishes and other skin problems. This was a bit longer than I intended it to be, but hopefully there's a lot of good information for you to try and just general well-being for your skin. Thanks for watching.